Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix USB ports not working in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, if you are facing USB problem, so just follow some easy steps. Click on Start, search Device Manager. Now here open Device Manager. Now scroll down and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Here you will see USB Root Hub. Right click on it and update driver and click on Properties, Power Management. Now deselect this box. Allow the computer to run off this device to save power. So uncheck and click on OK. Now restart your system. If this method not work, so update this driver. Right click on it and update driver. First time select this one and still not working, so this time this second one. Browse my computer for drivers. Now select let me pick from a list and install. Now close and restart. And still you are facing problem. So again right click on it. Now uninstall device. Uninstall. Now close it and restart your system. Hopefully guys, after restart this method will work and still you are facing problem. So unplug all USB devices from your PC or system, then replugged all devices. So hopefully guys, using any method will resolve USB problems. So thanks for watching and please comment any method work for you or not.